Hi guys, postman's bin. I'm trying to make it look a bigger package by going in close. It's not a big package. What on earth is that? Dear buyer, don't be surprised. Your product is inside the charger. Ah, right. I reckon this is some way of trying to get round customs or something, isn't it? Well, I've never come across that before. Use a screwdriver or other tool to turn on the charger. There's no screw holes. There we go. I reckon it's a battery. I reckon it's the battery I ordered for my wife's camera. Yeah. Well, what was that all about, if that wasn't some sort of customs fiddle? Yeah, okay, let's see if that fits. Right, this is the camera it's for, my wife's Fuji FinePix XP70, which we bought a while ago when we used to do a lot of snorkeling on holiday, because this is fully waterproof. Can use it underwater. Gosh, it needs a bit of a clean. Anyway, I wanted to use it the other day, charged it up, it took charge fine, but when I came to use it, battery was flat. So that's the old one. This one is supposed to be absolutely genuine, brand new one. 2019 date on it. And that one was 2014 date on it. So it's certainly newer, but at the price I paid for it, I strongly suspect it may not be genuine, even though it's been made to look identical. So I won't be surprised if it doesn't work very well. I don't expect it to have charge in it straight away. It might have. Might have enough to turn it on, I suppose. Wrong button. No, not a lot happening there. Okay, we'll put it on charge and see if it actually holds charge. So I won't be surprised if it's a rip-off, but we will find out. I've left it on charge for a few hours, I should think. So, okay, when it's taken charge, the next thing is to see how long it lasts. So that's what I'll do. I'll leave it running. I think the best thing I can do is set it to video and just see how long it records for. See if that runs it down. The problem I was getting was it was taking full charge. I put it in the bag, and by the time I'd actually got out somewhere to film with it, it's discharged. So anyway, I'll set it running and just see how long it lasts. And we'll come back later. Hi guys, we had pizzas tonight. I'm going to make a rubber band powered car. I'm also trying a different camera. This is my wife's old, can't remember what it's called now, something like an XP70 or something. Yeah. And it looks like the battery's just about to run out as well. That's a good start, isn't it? I'm actually testing the battery, and I've been waiting to see how long it'd last for. Do I try and push ahead or do I give up? I don't think that battery's going to last, so we'll cancel this. Well guys, an update on that battery for my wife's XP70 camera. I think the camera might have a problem. Because I went to use it well, a little while ago, and it said the battery was flat. In fact, it wouldn't turn on. So I popped it out and put it back in again. And it was quite happy. So I'm really not sure whether the battery's a problem or not. I checked it first thing this morning when I got up just to see if it lost charge overnight, and it was fine. And as I say, then when I came to try it out later, it wouldn't fire up. So it could be the on-off switch, it could be the battery contacts, although they all look nice and clean in there. It's just a little bit odd. But it does look like that new battery is okay at the moment. I used it to do some filming yesterday, just some random stuff, and that all turned out okay. So yeah, that's the new battery. It took charge all right. I even managed to find the proper battery charger for it, because you can charge it off the USB port in there, that one. But I've also got a battery charger that you take the battery out and sit it in the charger overnight, or for a few hours. So as far as I can tell, we're okay. We've got one of my old cameras back working again, or my wife's camera. Can't remember how many years old it is, but pretty old. Now actually, it's pretty high specification on it as well for its age anyway. Focus going on the other camera now. So we'll class that as a success for now. If I do get any more problems, I'll put a note in the video description or in the comments. You can probably hear it is raining pretty hard today. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.